Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Blurry on the application of Teams. You will click on settings. Here on this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can search about Teams app here. After that you'll enter the first step and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear keys, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and see you next time.